New thermostat causing your air conditioner or furnace to run nonstop usually means it was wired incorrectly. Stop, power down, and fix the wiring before anything else. Turn the circuit off at the breaker first, then remove the thermostat cover and match every wire to the old terminal labeling. Use a continuity meter or a simple test light to verify that the cooling coil and heating coil wires are not shorted together and that the common or ground is not touching any live conductor. If you do not have the original thermostat photos, compare wire colors but trust terminal labels over colors because installers often reuse colors. Label each wire with tape as you disconnect so reassembly is exact. Check for exposed copper where insulation may have been stripped too far. Twist and restrip to a 1/4 inch of clean conductor and secure under the screw so no stray strands bridge terminals. Verify the new thermostat's base plate is not pinching wires or contacting the wall box metal. Add a small non-conductive spacer if needed, and ensure the wall box is properly grounded but not contacting low voltage wires. Confirm the thermostat model supports your system type, WWW, heat pump, conventional split system, or single-stage furnace, projects, and set the internal configuration or installer settings accordingly. Misconfigured dip switches or software settings can energize both heat and cool coils simultaneously. After wiring and settings are verified, restore power and observe the control behavior for several minutes while toggling heat and cool. If the unit still runs continuously, isolate the issue by disconnecting the thermostat wires at the furnace or air handler control board and see if the equipment then stops. If it does, the thermostat is at fault. If it does not, the equipment control relay or the furnace. Air conditioner control board is likely shorted and needs professional service. Keep a photo record and label the system type and date in the homeowner file for future troubleshooting and warranty claims. When in doubt, or if you see burned terminals, melted insulation, or you are uncomfortable working near electrical panels, call a licensed HVAC technician immediately to avoid damage or fire risk. One of the most common thermostat installation mistakes is miswiring the heat and cool control terminals, which causes continuous operation. Fix it by matching terminal letters precisely and testing continuity so there are no cross connections. One of the top issues is leaving wire insulation too long, so stray strands create a short. Remedy this by restripping to a clean 1/4 inch and tightening screws securely while checking for exposed copper. One of the frequent problems is failing to configure the thermostat for the correct system type, resulting in simultaneous calls or disabled stages. Correct this by reviewing the installer setup menu, setting the system type to single-stage heat, heat pump, or multi-stage as appropriate, and verifying on the control board that only the intended relay is energized. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC and electrical contractors, so homeowners can find licensed pros quickly when thermostat wiring looks risky or a control board repair is needed. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them with motivated homeowners, complete with project details and location filters to match skills and availability.